Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I want to share with you a secret command that you can simple type in to quickly open up the schedule tasks on Windows 11 or even your Windows 10 PC. So guys, stick with me for a couple of seconds so that I can share with you this command. So what you want to do, click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and type in run. Open up the run command here. And all you have to do is simple type in control sched task and hit enter. And you'll quickly open up the schedule task or the task scheduler on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. How cool is that? Now, if you found value here within this video, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And on top of that, guys, if you'd like to see more videos or learn more secret commands just like this one, check out the playlist at the end of this video. You will find a ton of other videos where you'll find a ton of other videos just like this one where I'm sharing with you more secret commands to open up a ton of different applications on your Windows PC. So if this is something you're curious about, check out the playlist and looking forward to see you in the next video.